Hey everyone, this is Caleb Roth. I'm the founder of Gopher Wood, and we manufacture factory finished lumber right outside of Nashville in the hills of Tennessee. Gopher Wood is a product that sells through wholesale and distribution outlets. So local supply houses, local lumber yards, things like that is where you're going to find Gopher Wood. So Gopher Wood is available in chestnut stain. Now that's a medium brown color that most people like in most parts of the country. We do have the ability to do custom colors, but standard colors, medium brown. So a lot of people ask about the wood that we start with for Gopher Wood. So we offer both an import and a domestic cedar. So what that means is we get cedar from outside of the country, we get cedar from inside of the country, and there's two different price points. So first of all, the one you're most common with is Western red cedar. We do a lot of Western red cedar products. It's kiln dried, it's really old growth, very stable, and it's just a premium lumber product. Most of you have already heard of Western red cedar. We also do Japanese cedar, which is an old growth plantation grown Japanese cedar that was planted after World War II. Those trees are about 70 years old, so they're still pretty old growth, and they're a more budget friendly product, but you still get a great value out of it. All of our posts come with post saver sleeves, which give a 20-year guarantee. So when you do the math on a traditional unstained fence versus a Gopher Wood fence with post saver sleeves, the cost of ownership is almost half the price. So in a black and white world where everything is either untreated or sort of a yellow color or just a plain, plain lumber product, we come in and we give you the choice of color. So Gopher Wood's great for many reasons. We start off with a kiln dried cedar lumber product. Kiln drying takes away the variability of warping and shrinking and all of those things that you see so common with most lumber products, and it gives you a stable base. We take that stable kiln dried cedar lumber and then we run it through our finishing line, and we wind up with something like this, which is not only beautiful, but it's less likely to shrink, less likely to warp, crack, or twist, and it's sealed from the weather and elements on all 6 sides. So if you've got a fence company or if you're just wanting to have a fence built at your home, highly recommend checking out Gopher Wood. It's a great product both for the contractor to give choices to the customers. It's a great product to have in your own backyard because it just looks so beautiful. Check us out at gopherwood.us.